Welcome to MahfuzAlamSalmaN, your go-to channel for all things digital marketing. I'm excited to have you here. Now let's be honest, in today's cutthroat digital landscape, businesses need every advantage they can get. That's where digital marketing comes in. Today we're diving into the world of digital marketing, its key components, and why it's crucial for businesses in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, understanding the ins and outs of digital marketing can be a game changer for your business. This video is your crash course on how to navigate the digital marketing world, covering everything from SEO to paid advertising, so you can start seeing real results. So grab your notebooks, get ready to take some notes, and let's get started. First up, we have SEO or search engine optimization. Now imagine typing in a question on Google. The websites that pop up first? That's the power of SEO. It's all about making your website more visible on search engines like Google. Why is this important? Think about it. When was the last time you clicked on page 2 or 3 of Google's search results? Exactly. Most people don't. SEO helps you rank higher in search results, driving more organic traffic to your website without spending a dime on ads. How does it work? It's all about optimizing your website content, using the right keywords, and building high-quality backlinks. Think of it as speaking Google's language. The more Google understands your website, the higher it will rank you. And trust me, a higher ranking translates to more visibility, more clicks, and ultimately, more customers finding their way to your business. It's like having a prime storefront on the busiest street in town, but online. Next up, we have the world of social media marketing. Now I know what you're thinking. Social media? That's just for sharing cat videos, right? Well, not quite. While it's a great place to share fun content, social media is a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. Think about it. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, they're where your customers are spending their time. Social media marketing is about creating engaging content, running targeted ad campaigns, and building a community around your brand. It's about having conversations, not just broadcasting messages. The beauty of social media is that it allows you to humanize your brand, show your personality, engage with your followers, and build real relationships. Remember, people buy from people they like and trust. Now let's talk about email marketing. Some might say email is dead, but trust me, it's alive and kicking. Email marketing is all about building a list of subscribers who are genuinely interested in your products or services, and then nurturing those relationships over time. Think of it as building a loyal fan base that can't wait to hear from you. The key to successful email marketing is personalization. You want to segment your audience based on their interests and behaviors and then tailor your emails accordingly. No one wants to receive generic spammy emails. Instead, focus on providing value, sharing exclusive content, and offering irresistible deals. Remember, your emails are a direct line of communication with your audience. Use them wisely to build trust, foster loyalty, and ultimately, drive conversions. A well-crafted email campaign can be a goldmine for your business. Finally, let's talk about PPC advertising, or pay-per-click advertising. This is where you pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ad. Platforms like Google Ads and social media ads offer incredibly powerful targeting options, allowing you to get your message in front of the right people at the right time. The beauty of PPC advertising is that it's highly measurable. You can track your results, see what's working, and optimize your campaigns for maximum ROI. It's like having a direct line to your target customers. Now, PPC advertising can seem a little daunting at first, but trust me, it's a skill worth mastering. With the right strategy and a little bit of know-how, you can use PPC advertising to drive targeted traffic to your website, generate leads, and boost sales. Remember, it's called pay-per-click for a reason. Every click is an opportunity to convert a potential customer. So there you have it. That's a crash course on the key components of digital marketing. From SEO to social media marketing, email marketing to PPC advertising, these strategies are essential for businesses to thrive in today's digital world. Why is digital marketing so important in 2024 and beyond? Well, for starters, the online world is constantly evolving. New technologies are emerging, consumer behavior is shifting, and AI is playing an increasingly significant role. Digital marketing allows you to stay ahead of the curve, adapt to these changes, and reach your target audience where they're spending their time. Online. For those of you just starting, my advice is to focus on one area at a time. Don't try to do everything all at once. Pick a niche like social media marketing or email marketing and dive deep. There are amazing AI tools like ChatGPT, MailChimp, and Canva that can help you get started and streamline your efforts. And most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of digital marketing is that it's all about testing, analyzing, and optimizing. What works for one business might not work for another. So, find what works best for you and keep refining your strategies. And remember, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. And for even more resources and services to take your digital marketing to the next level, visit our website, Growth Hack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.